What is going on, guys? So today we are starting it off early here again in the morning. We're gonna be headed down to the exhaust shop. Last night I was hanging out with John and we were like, you know what? Turdzilla is pretty quiet. So we're gonna head down to Tyler and take out the cats on the BBK Longtube X-Pipe and finally make this thing scream the way I want it to scream, which will give me a good idea of what it sounds when we go to this car with a similar setup. So let's go ahead, get in Turdzilla and get down there. Yeah, this is way too quiet. Alright, we're gonna be rolling out. We got Don and John met me over here at Starbucks. We got the Roush. This traffic is ridiculous. Look at this. Oh my god. Ah yeah, legit as Pike. Look at that fitment, man.
Dude, he's got that stance pipe right there.
Man, I don't hate it, but you know he's gonna get flamed.
Oh, you know it.
I don't hate it. I think it's cool.
At least it's an Infinity. I mean, you know what I mean? It's a classy car.
I mean, look at that poke.
You know?
Alright, we're gonna need to get one last sound clip of this beast before before it gets loud, yeah. So this is catted BBK X-Pipe with Longtubes, 1 5/8 and Magnapacks. Yeah, that's about good. So yeah, time to make it loud. I mean, that sounds pretty good. It's just not loud enough. Do you see this? You know this guy's up to no good. It's time for it to get loud, my friend.
Oh man, I'm excited.
Oh yeah.
This thing is gonna be legit as Pike. It's my new phrase.
So we got our long tubes going into our catted BBK X-Pipe. We're gonna cut these cats out so we can have some loud stuff going into the Magnapacks in the back. There we go. What do these cats look like inside? Are they blown or are they? They're not blown. They just look old. Oh man, did you turn that off because you were scared? Huh? You turned that off because you were scared? You turned it off because you were scared of that Mustang? Oh man. Actually, you can't see it on camera, so.
Ooh, it's pretty on camera.
Yeah, it looks great. Let her rip. No leaks? I definitely like.
now we're gonna put the driver mod Roush Stage 3 on the lift. Just to double check some exhaust. So the T50s makes Magnum XL, MBRP long tube headers, H-pipe, Cervini side exhaust, and then he wanted to be different, so Roush axle backs tied in to the side exhaust for quad exhaust.
Dude, that thing rips. John, What's up, man?
So Don is just tweaking some stuff on his side exhaust setup. He said it's rattling a little bit, so the guys over here are going to touch it up. Do you guys have like a rewards card or something?
I mean, he just keeps coming back. You just stamp for every time you come in.
Yeah.
It stands for 20% off. He said it, not me.
Now he wants to cut the resonator off after it finally sounded decent.
No, it sounds good. The problem is, like I said,
He thinks his VTEC's not kicking in because he's got a resonator.
Z-Tech.
Z-Tech, sorry.
not VTEC.
Same thing.
Same.
I'm wondering if it's too much back pressure or not, because the way we did it. So, because something's not right with it.
I don't think so.
I'll let you know. It'll be real easy to tell.
Hey John, make sure you get your rewards card stamped.
Yeah, by frequent
flyer.
He doesn't care. Tyler, I'm on the 10th or 54th stamp.
Back to being loud. Man, you can't stand that thing being quiet. John's trying to check to see if his Z-Tech is still cracking.
I approve of that message.
Well, we just picked up these 888s, 295 3018 for Turdzilla. I guess that's what we're doing. Oh, we got some junk ass tire there. Alright, we are gonna roll out of here, go get the tires mounted, and yeah. Got them tires. He said they're brand new.
They look brand new. They don't even have a little nookies off.
Yeah. Should hook pretty well.
Is it the OG R888s?
Yeah, same thing I have on the Cobra.
Yeah.
Alright, we're dropping her off to get the tires done. We're pretty busy over here. Gonna get that ride back in the focus. Oh, you want to be in the video again? Alright, so we made it back. We're gonna wait for Turdzilla. I got work a little bit later. I might end up taking the truck. It was just raining, good old Florida. Now it's pretty much stopped. So yeah.
The best sound actually came from a Borla muffler. Obviously the CFM downpipe, the straight pipe, and then a Magnaflow resonator. So I will not be going to the exhaust shop for a while, and I'm going to be running it like this for a while when I drive back to Ohio here, probably Thursday, Friday. Hopefully, maybe down the road when the Terminator's done, then we're going to play with this car some more, because this car has a score to settle with Lee and George. And we're going to prove these SVTs can actually drive faster than the speed of a Prius.
Funny story, I got beat by a four-door Maxima the other day, and
it's terrible.
Four-door Maxima just waxed.
But that is it for now. Now I'm just basically going to do Cobra stuff. So I got my block done. It's board 20 over, tech skid. And then I'm gonna I'm making a call to MMR here pretty shortly for 1100 horsepower pistons and rods. I'm gonna use my factory crank, ARP head studs, main studs. And then I'm gonna probably use the stock Cobra cams that came in my car. So, but that's the latest update for now. And then we will see you in the Turdzilla here pretty soon once the tires are back on. Alright, so I stole the camera while Andrew went to work. So here we are at the shop right now. They're getting ready to put on the Toyo R888 cars. Traction. Things are awesome. Love these tires. Looks like the Toyos are getting balanced right now. I mean, nothing but a good time. Oh yeah. Alright, there it is, guys. The second tire's going on for surely. My man's hooking it up. So now the Mustang is actually getting some tires that aren't bald. Sweet, we're just going to put this spare drag radial in the back of the car once he's torqued down, and then we can let it rip. But kind of not so much because all the wet roads. But still we'll have some fun with it. So we're at the stoplight in the Turd. It's hooking up pretty good for being in the rain, although we're sliding a little bit, but always a blast. So we kicked Andrew out. We're now Focus Lifestyle.
That's a big no from this guy.